Hola, minasan, いらっしゃいませ。今は2番セグメントが日本語を勉強します。はい、皆さん、ありがとうございます。よーし、皆さん、あ新しい単語を書きます。はい、皆さん、どうぞ、どうぞ。今は英語を話します。はい、皆さん、ありがとうございます。よし。Hello, everybody. Welcome, welcome for some more Japanese lessons. We are continuing casual form verbs. Uh, casual form verbs. We're going to cover six today to clear out this section on page 189 of Genki. Two root verbs and five irregular verbs. First and foremost, though, I want to thank the comments section for the correction with omou. It ends in u. Omo ends in u, which means that it should have been wanai, not anai. Uh, where's the underline? There we go. There we go. Omo should have been omo wanai, which I corrected ahead of time, and omo wanakata. Anytime you see just the u, you replace it with wa. You replace it with wa. I should have known better because I did the same here with EU and iwanai and arau, which was arawanai. That is the correct way to do that whenever your verb ends with just u. When it ends with u, you insert wanai. You insert wanai, not anai. I was missing the W. So, big thanks again to YouTube comments for the correction. It's very difficult to remember so many different tenses. It's not like in English where most tenses are pretty universal. Past tenses are pretty universal across many words. It's tough. It's tough. All right. So let's begin. We're gonna start with the ru verbs. Suteru, to throw away. Suteru, to throw away. Okay. Suteru. Suteru. There we go. Suteru, to throw away. To throw away. Suteru. Okay. So this should be suteranai. Sorry, sutenai. The ru verbs, you drop the ru. Like taberu, you drop the ru, and you get tabenai. This is sutenai. Sutenai. Next, it should be suteta. Well, let's refer to our reference up here. That's why we have it up here. Okay. So, because it will be, let's see here, suteru, sutete. So it'll be sutta. It should be suteta. Let's see if that works. Suteta. There we go. Suteta. And sute na kata. Oh, I misspelled that. Sute ta na kata. There we go. Suteta nakata. Alright. Okay. sorry. Sutenakata. Sutenakata. There we go. Because you're not taking sutenai, you're just taking sute. Like tabenakata. Like tabenakata. Gotta remember, like tabenakata. You drop the ru and put nakata in return. There we go. Alright, the next one is hajimeru, to begin. Hajimeru. Hajimeru. Okay, to begin. To begin. Hajimeru. So we have hajimenai. Hajimenai. Hajimeteta. Hajimeta. Uh-oh. Let's see. Hajimete. Hajimeteta. There we go. Hajimeteta. There we are. And then hajimete nakata. Hajimete. Oh, I misspelled that. Hajimete nakata. Hajimete nakata. That's not even the right hajimete. Hajimete na. MS Word is not giving me the correct hajimete. It's not giving me the correct one. So let's take a look at Jisho and see what is. Why it's not giving me, why Microsoft Word is not giving me the correct kanji. Hajime nakata. Right. Hajime nakata. Alright. Hajime. Now watch everybody in the comments says, you just said that about Suteru. How did you forget that easily? I'm old. I'm very old. I'm an old man. Stop hurting me. Get me alone. All right, time for the regular verbs. Untensuru. Untensuru, to drive. Okay, untensuru. There we go. Untensuru. To drive. Untensuru. Not utensils, English speakers. Untensuru. So. Untenshinai. 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 Utenshita. Utenshita. And untenshi nakata. Untenshi nakata. Alright. Next one is sentaku suru, to do laundry. Sentaku suru. Or quite literally, to do laundry. Suru meaning to do. する to do laundry 洗濯する Alright. Sentaku shinai. Sentaku shita. Nani? What's yeah. Hold on. Because there's another kanji for sentaku. Sentaku shinai. Let's see. I got sentaku. Huh, it's not giving me... Why isn't it giving me shinai here? Sentaku suru. Hold on. Now I need to find out from G-Show what's going on here. No, it seems fine. So why isn't it giving me like kanji for shinai? For sentaku shinai. It should be shinai. Maybe down in the comments let me know if that was right. It should be shinai. Sentaku shinakata. Yeah. See, it's giving me a different kanji instead of the sentaku, the correct kanji. There's two different kanji of sentaku with two completely different meanings, so it's kind of throwing everything off here. Let me just double check my see shinai. Yeah. Yeah, it's supposed to be shinai. Shinakata and shita. Yeah. So I'm not sure why Microsoft Word is not giving me the appropriate kanji for sentaku, but it's fine. Comments will let me know. Soji suru. Soji suru, to clean. Soji suru, to clean. Okay, so soji shinai. Soji shinai. Soji shita. Yeah, you see, it gives me my correct kanji. Soji shinakata. So that was kind of weird that Microsoft Word wasn't giving me what I was looking for. Alright. And our last verb today, ryori suru, to cook. 料理する。料理する。to cook. する。Alright. I was about to say soji. 料理しない。料理しない。料理した。料理しなかった。しなかった。There we go. All right. There we go. That is it for page 189 verbs. These are our verbs for the week. 捨てる、捨てない、捨てた、捨てなかった。始める、始めない、始めた、始めてた。That doesn't sound right. Isn't it 始め? Hold on. That sounds weird. 始める。始める. Hold on a second. There's something weird saying it out loud. 始めた. There we go. That's why it sounded so weird. 始めた. And 始めなかった. Okay. That's why it sounded weird when I said it out loud. I'm like, wait, that doesn't sound right. 始めた. 始めなかった。運転する to drive. 運転した、運転しない。運転した。運転しなかった。洗濯する to do laundry. 洗濯しない。洗濯した。洗濯しなかった。か。掃除する to clean. 掃除しない。掃除した。掃除しなかった。And 料理する to cook. 料理しない。料理した。And 料理しなかった。So, there we go. Just let me know down in the comments below if I got it right or wrong. We are here to learn. We are all here to learn. So, どうぞ皆さん、コメント、like、サブスクライブをください。はい。次、あと、勉強するまで、勉強するまでお疲れ様でした。Good night. Buenas noches. おやすみなさい。